Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today I'm going to share with you guys my tier tray decorate with me video. I have done this the past 4 or 5 years now, and I am super excited to finally get my tier trays decorated for Christmas. So let's get into the video. First, the tray I will be decorating is from Hobby Lobby. I've had it for 5 years now, but they do still sell it. It used to be 20 bucks with the 50% off. I'm not sure what it is now, but I know they still have it. So that sleigh ride sign came from the Target dollar spot a couple years ago, and these greenery picks came from Dollar Tree. This little truck candle is from Dollar General. So I try to make my tier trays really full. Some people do not like that, which it is completely okay. And since these kind of have an edge around them, I try to always lift things up with greenery or berries or whatever I can find, or even you can use like faux snow or cotton or whatever you choose. But I really like mine super full. So I'm adding a garland to the bottom. I like it draping over. That is something that I made, I think, last year. And I noticed this year my favorite thing to decorate my tier trays with is bottle brush trees. I can't get enough of them, and I need more. That reindeer came from Dollar General last year, and I think it was $2. And then that white tree is from Dollar Tree. And I picked these trees up. They came in a 3-pack from Walmart. And I only buy Christmas decor like that after Christmas only. I made that DIY last year for a winter video. I have plans to do more winter videos this year too. So let me know in the comments below. Is winter your thing, or once Christmas is over, do you just go straight to Valentine's or back to your old home decor? The bottle brush trees probably came from Walmart or Target or Dollar Tree. These reindeer, I spray painted them black last year, and they are from the Dollar Tree. They're just little ornaments, but I thought black just made them look a little more nice than that clear color, or just clear, that they were before. And a Dollar Tree jar. I did end up adding that towards the back. I made these houses and I just stuck them in the back. I used my Cricut to make those and just painted them. And I will see if I have the video for that in the description box. If I don't, I seriously just painted them and added some Cricut font to them. But this is what this tier tray looks like when it is done. And like I said, I don't think you can go wrong with tons and tons of bottle brush trees. I did end up adding some new decor into this after I filmed the video. So that little tree bucket with the trees that came from the Target dollar spot, they are so stinking cute. It comes in a 3-pack for $3. And yeah, that is it for this tier tray.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the...
For this tray, I picked this one up at TJ Maxx a couple years ago. It was, I think, $14.99 or $12.99, pretty inexpensive for a tier tray. And I kind of based it off of what I did last year with a tier tray because I loved my tier tray from last year. This one specifically, it was more of like a green, white, black, like a very neutral theme. So I kind of wanted to keep it that way. These little greenery picks, I found those at Walmart a couple years ago. I did not see them this year, unfortunately, but maybe they have them. I just double stacked some houses. One is one I made with Dollar Tree items. And then the Farmhouse Christmas is from Hobby Lobby. Those trees right there are from Target. The Ho 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 sign I added to the bottom, that is from Gordman's. They had some killer deals when we had a Gordman's around. We only had it around for maybe a year, but it was amazing. Some more trees, and like I said, I think those did come from Target. I'm not 100% sure. Adding some more Target trees. I loved when Target had things for only $1. I haven't seen too many dollar items. Usually they're like $3 and $5, and sometimes are they more or just $3 and $5? $3 and $5 just seem like a bit pricey for some things. Adding some more of those Walmart trees to the top and the bottom of this tray. Like I said, I could not just keep adding some greenery and some trees, and I just think this one is super fun, and it just didn't take a ton of time to make because I kind of followed along to what I did last year. Those little black deer are from the Target dollar spot last year, a little garland I made. That little house is from Dollar General, but I actually did not use that because it just kind of got in the way of the sign. This does take a really long time. I think this took a couple hours to decorate these tier trays. I know some people will say, oh my gosh, like you can just throw them together and they look so good. No, I change my mind quite often. So that ho 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 sign, it had to go. I tore things apart, and I normally don't show this stuff on video, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to show you guys this year because I'm not a professional whatsoever. Obviously, when it comes to decorating, like my decorating is kind of plain and boring at times, but it's my style. It's just how I like it. Like I really do enjoy how I decorate, but I'm not a professional and this does take a lot of time. Even these tier trays that are shoved to the brim of items. But that Farm Fresh Christmas tree sign was from Gordman's. And like I said, those cute little black deer were from those are from Target. I know there's just so many things that I have to think of. And I just added a ton of trees to the back. Those one trees I showed, they did not fit, but I think those are from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has some amazing bottle brush trees. So if you need some, you should go grab some. So I just flipped this one to the back and I just added a ton of extra stuff. I have a whole tote of tier tray items for Christmas. So the things I didn't use, I just put back in that tote, put it away, and maybe I will use it next year. But this is what this one looks like. It is a very neutral tier tray.
Like so many times before, and I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay.
Tray is from Michael's. I picked this up when it was like 70% off, super cheap. That's when you go to Michael's and grab all your items. So we're going back to that ho 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 sign. Of course, it's got moved around so many times. These trees, I want to say these were from Target as well. I could be wrong. They could be from Walmart. I've just had a lot of my items for a long time, so I don't really shop in too many places, so it had to be from one of them. That truck is from Gordman's. Like I said, I miss that place. I got so many cute tier tray items. But if you don't want to make your items, you could totally just go to Hobby Lobby when they have 60% off their Christmas items. I probably should go get some new stuff. I kind of partial with my old fun Christmas items. You don't always have to buy new stuff every year, but sometimes it is just fun. But they have great deals at Hobby Lobby. Some things you could probably pick up for under $2, like all the way to probably to $4 possibly. But I just added some bottle brush trees, and then the back sides I just fill. You don't really see the back anyways, but I made that little Reindeer Express with a Dollar Tree sign. Added some of those little milk cans. Those galvanized milk cans are from Hobby Lobby. Some boxwood greenery, and those little things were from Dollar Tree a while ago. These berries were from Walmart last year, I think. They're so cute. I love them. And then, like you said, I'm just squishing whatever I can into these things. And then, of course, added some more bottle brush trees and a little truck that was from a Dollar Tree.
But all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're...
End it with my kitchen tier tray. It is a 2-tier tray. That Mrs. Claus is from Target. That little sign right there. I've had it for a few years. The tray is from Target. Is the Hearth and Hand brand. This was my most expensive tier tray. I think it was like $30 some, but I knew I was going to have it for a long time. So the price was it was making me cringe a tiny bit, but I've had it for a few years now and it's not going to go anywhere. So I made a lot of these items. The gingerbread cookie recipe, that little jar with the rolling pins, those were from Dollar Tree, and Target had the rolling pins. That little gingerbread ornament is from Target. The mug, I think, was from I think I got it at Goodwill, but I think it was originally from Target. A little mason jar I recently made. I redid this tier tray so many times because some of my items didn't fit at the bottom, so I had to move them. Everything felt like, see, I tried to do as real life as possible. So this is kind of just what happens when I decorate. I have to move things around, and yes, some things do get in the way. You can't see everything and things are huddled together, but I love having my tier trays super, super full. So these pieces I made last year in a gingerbread video. These were so cute. The Baking Spirits Bright tray is from Dollar Tree. Fresh baked cookies, that little crate is a Dollar Tree item. And then I just used my Cricut and some really fun items from Walmart and a Dollar Tree to create those. And then I did hold that up, I think, with like a little candle because it was not fitting. I ended up redoing this, a little rolling pin, and I think that was from Hobby Lobby. They have just regular old rolling pins, and I just put gingerbread on that one. And then those little jars are from Dollar Tree. And then the inside, there's items from Dollar Tree and Target. This was a cute little set, the hot cocoa and that little cutting board. Those are from Target, along with that little mixer. And then I just added a couple extra things to this. That little warm and cozy mug is also from Dollar Tree. That is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed my tier tray Christmas decorating video for 2022. I cannot believe 2022 is going to be over in a few weeks. That is absolutely crazy. I can't even wrap my mind around the 2023 and writing all my checks incorrectly. I cannot wait for that. But if you guys like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love you consider sticking around and subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Perfect.